Okay, so we had a drain air issue on our washing machine. It's kind of one off and it was working fine, but I was already replacing the hose in the back, so I figured when I had it all pulled out, I would try to see if I could find where the filter was. And luckily, on mine, the front loader here, there was just 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3, and popped right off. And then, so your black tube here drains, goes to this pump, and goes back out to wherever it drains. Anyway, this unscrews. A lot of water in there, stinky water. I couldn't quite get a tray underneath here, so I used 3 towels. So I put a towel in it, cracked it, moved the towel, cracked it until the towel's all full up. But anyway, ours is pretty dirty, and it looks like we had a baby sock in it. Actually, yeah. So that's probably why ours wasn't draining. But anyway, so it was surprisingly easy to get to. Hope that helps. Like and subscribe. So this is the filter. It's pretty coarse. Got the sock out. Like I said, just that easy.